Yeah, really good, yeah.
It used to be Valentine's.
Yeah.
Is that the place that would put you then?
Oh, I don't know. It's all upstairs.
Is that, yeah.
Everything's upstairs anyway. Did you get it? No. Got one yellow.
I was he was just what time is it? Tell you. That's the famous one when policeman stops him. Stops something famous. Stops something famous. My dad is.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I'll catch up with you on Saturday. Oh, good. Just wait two. Just wait two. Somebody else is probably going here. No, you were sitting out there. That's good.
Should have ended on this cheap Anonymous.
What? Right, stick in, guys.
Stick in. Yeah, at some point anyway.
One way.
Yeah.
Need to find a moment.
dying breath. Right, nice to see you.
Right, I'm going to have to pop out, get Anne some food, do a wee swap, get Anne some food.
Okay.
And maybe she'll end up coming down here.
Hey, David. Right, I'll get the scores put into this sheet, and then we can work out how we're going to get it online. You got the scores there? Yes.
I won't be able to do that in this session, so if you get them updated by the end of the evening, I'll have them done. Okay?
Yes.
But I'll have to do a couple of hours at this.
And I'll send them to you. Right. So.
And I'll leave that window open here. we have cameras. We've got cameras working, even if nobody else has.
No, the thing is though, I said as soon as we say cameras working, Alan's going to okay, can you start streaming? Well, that means that's got to sit open streaming
All the time.
all the time. We're not set up to do that. All we're confirming is the cameras are on the network and available if Curling Stadium Europe and Birmingham uses it.
Right, okay.
Because yeah, I know I've not taken tomorrow off, and we could stream, but I can't use this laptop.
There was some talk this time last year about borrowing my kit, and I said everything. You could have everything apart from the computer. So you needed a computer that was set in the middle. Yeah.
And I said, look, that was Perth Masters. If you've got the choice, you can buy a computer or
Right, because we're saying two different things, but we actually weren't coming to a final answer. And we threw the shot, same shot 4 times in a row. That's why I kept asking, because I was like, well, we've got to fucking work it out. We can't keep throwing the same shot, no telling what's happening, and then just keep going.
No, that's not updated. Oh, anyway, but I don't know, you updated it now, did you?
yeah.
It's still a Brewster playing here on the second session now. And Fujisawa Suka are playing over the end sheet.
Oh no, I didn't update that.
It doesn't matter, because they're all playing the same games anyway.
Correct, that's what I thought, and that's why I didn't update it. So on the ranking, it's team white position. I just need 12 and then played.
You do that manually.
No?
It just felt so, well, that's like, I was trying to ask the question to find out what the actual answer was, but it wasn't, I was getting two opposite answers, and then being like, right, where do we come together then and talk about what's actually happening then, because we get two, can we just rewind a bit, like,
Right, I will do that. I can do it automatically. Basically, I'm going to say here, sorry,
Something in there, I can say one.
so basically I'm going to...
no, I wasn't, I can straight up to Al.
aren't zero.
I can straight up to Al and say that, that's what I'm saying, like,
Because that's not
I wasn't
zero.
saying just aim and use, like, just
Well, no,
They
it
could
could
get
be a
0
zero.
points.
Does it have to be a zero in there? Can you make them blind?
No, it has to be a zero because it's a formula. Anyway, right, let's put the scores on. Right, so shall we
It is make a 6-5 to 0.
6, 5,
So that's 3 points then.
oh yeah, 3,
3-0.
0.
So 30.3,
The first play, so bad.
27.3.
It's on about like how you want to throw cleaner on, which is fine.
Right, they played Goskins, so we changed them to that. So 11-1 to
But
Goskins.
white, we need to sweep
They
it away.
got 3 points.
Super just won.
And the draw shot, Goskins 31.8
I can tack full ownership at the corner half really good.
and 79.9.
I did in the early game, that's fine. Clean on it. You see, didn't the last 4 ends, last 3 ends. Like,
8-5 to
those
June,
clean ones
so
are
it's
going to
5-8.
get away. So it's
One
wonder if
read
you
it that way.
commit
5-8.
earlier,
3 points.
and then just buy into then taking more risks
Carson's
as it goes on,
199.6.
rather than feeling out a wee bit more, just commit to one thing.
I don't disagree, but I think
Harstad 6, White 4.
weight control. Like every draw was needing sweat, like most nearly hit enough end to end, like nothing was really like, I felt like you and Scar
Harstad
kind of need to
56.0.
be there away. As soon as you need to touch something,
26.7.
yeah, so to me it's like kick speed. Like we all just need to buy into everything.
Craig landed with 7-5 to Craig.
I do agree with you that we maybe do just need to buy into throwing more stalls and early doors and just kick off.
Well, that's what one of with the drawaway as well.
Craig
You know,
56.6.
and if you are through them, they're going
199.6.
more because the sweepers are not no thing they're doing quite as much with. So those like positive throws.
Right, they're the ones who they've not played yet. Muirhead Wobble, 6-2 to Muirhead. Muirhead's 29.7.
Put down Iceman.
Maida, 4-7.
Changed so much from the start.
4 to Stacey.
In terms of times and what it was. So just, you said it straight away, start showing up. That was like the turning point right at the start of the fifth end. It's like, right, maybe no.
It was 199.6.
Be sharp.
29.5.
Then turn one away with Ross's.
Yep, okay. And that's
Setting
it.
the whole line.
Yep, these three play
He's
next
off
session,
turn.
so that's fine.
Ended up
Yeah,
over
so
curling.
that then the ranking is currently that.
You could throw.
So it'll be half and 3 points. So it's all down to LSD.
Times 13 2 was.
And
Okay.
then your
And so
draw.
what we just need to work out is essentially take that and try and website and whether take that and export it as a picture or just snap it. So, someone's going to do that. Anyway,
Is that all you need there though? You'll not need the scores really, do it? Points. And then so folk want to see who plays who.
Wrote down 4 for lights where I think
how do you mean?
Sure.
This.
go on to the run. I think at the end you came up short.
Ideally, that whole spreadsheet would be somewhere
Number
online.
3 was slow.
Yes,
Was
so
never
that's what
quite
I'm just doing this just now because then I'll update the games. But
And then
what
one of theirs is
I'm
gonna come
wondering,
later as
so
well.
how would you access it then?
That bit much higher on the 4th, just track.
Website.
You might be further.
No, if you have a laptop, I mean.
And then your one is
Downstairs, would you
I've
do
got my
that?
laptop there, I thought we'd do what you've done there.
And are you on Google and Google Drive?
We need to talk about the release a bit more on that specific line.
I've got
Do get
spreadsheet
inside
in
that and
OneDrive.
not
Oh, okay.
Maybe I
So I can do
this.
OneDrive.
Another one.
So
So can you share that then?
When I seen you put the brush down on that 4th line, I was like, I like it. It's a tough shot. You end up getting through it. It just tracks and catches that line. Just wondered if you could talk more about releases. I wondered as well. I put down see the shots you were making at the start of the game. Talk more about those as well.
if I put it on my
That's what
OneDrive, I
I
don't
saw.
think I can share
Is it how we
with
make sense of
external.
it?
You could share it with
If
me.
you are making shots that are soft,
So
yeah, I was
if
soft.
I
No soft. You know what I mean?
send it to you,
That's all fine.
have you got your laptop there? Right, so what's your email address?
There's only two.
That's what I'm asking. So,
Gmail.com.
first half is fine.
Like the first you're saying it was switch up to the second half. The first half is back average. I mean, I've got 20 runs on that and I'll run to score 3.
You must have Google Drive if you've got Gmail.
Possibly, but I wouldn't know what to do. You can tell I'm not IT.
I agree with you. I think
Come down and look at my one.
I felt like it was way too relaxed. Like I felt like we were just asking questions.
Because
Maybe it was
you know when
actually
you log
looking
into
for an
Google, so if you're on the
that's how I felt
Google
there. Like that's why I
page
when
and
I
you've
was
logged in,
because that was the one that was
you
like
log into
4 shots
Chrome.
down a line where I was like, right, well,
and
you
then
see one
it
thing,
still
we'll see
stops
another
and
thing.
you
All these
try.
things, yeah.
Are
I
we ever
never used
actually
that for a while.
And
It's on Drive.
that's essentially one
Like
drive.
if you're sitting there just saying that
Okay.
you need to take more ice,
exactly
this
the
is
same
saying
thing.
you want to get it to
It's just Google's version because
you're spending
but
enough fucking jersey.
I'm thinking OneDrive, if you can do that, might be better because it's Excel, so you can edit the
That was another one
through a
where
web
both,
browser.
all those 4 shots were inside that 4 foot line. Or where we were wanting to swing to go down.
So am I going to have to do what you've done there on the one I've got and email it to you now?
So I've emailed that to you.
Yeah.
So
If I save that into OneDrive,
then if you save it to OneDrive and share it with me, then I can access it. So can
You're in
Android.
control.
But I think
first
Google
half
Drive
and
would
just
be
relax,
better for
and
Android.
fight it. Be comfortable. Maybe to
Because if I save
Or an
that,
edge,
if I
maybe
think I already have
just
saved that, that's where opening it from
talk
another.
about this with I think that's what I meant.
So this is already on.
Maybe try and get
Google
more
Drive. Try and share it with you and see what happens, right?
like I'm bring my laptop up.
Yeah.
First, I put it out on the stones, being lively in the houses and that first few ends. I thought they're kicking well. Your run back, you go didn't half, you go into your angled one. I thought when I seen it, it was quite a lot of rotation. But the rotation with thrown out, it looked like a half stone and it still kicked across. The same in the fourth end when we talked about the two going. Thought maybe getting both and we just decided to try and pick one. I don't know if that maybe was there.
Aye, it was.
So I think like first four ends of the game, it looked as if the stones are kicking with a rotation of their opponent.
Yeah.
And our point just
Seen that even chases later on, where they won the kill and the one after it, they were killed in the rings. First half, that's kill and after the right.
Like you threw it goes well or something, it fucking bounce and bounce and bounce.
You said that you're minimalising your last shot and chase.
Aye, I think for how because I threw it pretty aggressive and I was lucky it was pretty light to be honest. And I think that's more why I kind of came back. But I think if I'd thrown it, kind of how I wanted to, it was maybe still the minimum side. But I then also spoke to Robin and saying we'd probably minimise ice. Probably wasn't the worst thing because then I caught the guard.
I know, but
Swung it as well.
you're saying you were aggressive, but you're a second, didn't you?
That's half second.
Just that game thing.
Like just seeing how it rolled. I was like, that was probably minimum if I threw it. Pretty close. Like I said, I think after I kind of followed through, I was like, right, well, I'll just go on. Probably better to minimise the other maximise.
For the weight control, like kicks and everything, on the most part, like, when you're hitting rolls and stuff, you made a comment saying hitting rolls are probably easier than draws right now.
These are just a pair of readers.
But you threw, you made a lot of hitting rolls there.
I had in my bag.
What line column was very good.
So,
I thought the line column was good. It's no easy to hear each other out there, so second super's definitely going to you're probably almost just trusting the person more in the head because you look up
they
and
were
see them and stuff and see them.
slightly later summons, at least I made it. You can tell they're related.
Going
You
forward,
can tell they're related.
thinking back, every time when you're like a split time, you two were talking about like other team. I know we don't throw the same, but it was like we thought about them making up draws. Just you two kind of more on it with like split time, because ice comes down so hard.
I kind of felt we were like, we were still taking work split times on them and still trying to work things off them. It's like even at Rob's last draw, we kind of worked it off. We were 13-9 to the T line, 13-7 to the T line, so we tried to work it off that. I mean, they just left it most of the way, so it was like 14-2 is probably the close line. Felt that we were hitting times and stuff off them. We probably just weren't even throwing them somewhere.
You were able to change it past. We need to go and forget the network.
And be on it when the ice changes, be that first team to react to it and be like, right, it's starting to do it, it's starting to get a little bit more crawly and good noise. So do we take that inch more ice or do we start throwing it just that little bit more aggressive? Because you're not going to get away with that down the line. Being that first to react to it, I think it's maybe more that than they just get it. So they were really close with their draw weights. I can take a little ownership in terms of setups weren't good enough to start creating stuff in the second half.
There's no network.
and then it's
Probably the fifth end going up the way was when we first started to really notice it. I don't know if
Go back in
your
again.
first, see your first one,
Last for the pass.
that was almost to the point where it was starting to end as well. That inside that walking the line, so maybe sitting a bit. I mean, Ross's fucking last drop made him look stupid how close he was.
Lee, capital B,
When he let more up, me and Craig never worried. He was his own one god. Like you said, he got hair over the top of it, so it's curled there. And just sat in the hole. And he never got a single little run on it. So we're going to hit him first one. Really speak about
Capital Q.
lines and stuff and be like, it wants me to look forward. If it is fudging, we're going to hit watch for that because it's going to keep happening as the week goes on. So
Do you want that? Do you want another your PCs to be discovered other PCs? No, it's up here.
I had to throw it. There you go. I think the first
Right, so here, so hopefully I'll get these.
Quite a bit different from this. Because it's
yeah, like I think the first two ends I threw everything fucking heavy. Just the Friday on, I think I just kept throwing it like that way. Off I'm going to be heavy. Like it's glassy. Almost just scared me the first two ends to actually throw it properly. I was pissed off.
Thing is getting old, it's
But it was still a whole thing.
like me, getting old and slow.
One day last week, and it wasn't Windows 11, Windows 10 not
support.
so you have to be sharp on it.
It came up saying it could support it for another year, but
That's a loss there.
is Windows 11 as good? Right, so this is one via Google Sheets.
Yep. There's a lot, loads of papers from that game as well. So
Did you get Outlook on Windows 11 just because?
I think like you.
Remember I got boy what years ago said, no, you don't want Windows 11. When it first came out, you don't want that, stick to Windows 10 as long as you can.
Well, yeah, they because they'll iron out a few bugs on Windows 11. But
So that's you.
So for me.
Probably need to learn this one. This one's getting stung up. Right, so open it.
9 tomorrow, I think it's 9 Monday through Saturday. I didn't mean that to come across by the way. I don't want to get too that out, but I wasn't trying to make that out like it was just a brain thing I was used to because it wasn't. I was just trying to work because it was your two shots.
Okay, so Google Drive, you need access.
Because you were saying one thing, you said another thing. That's why I brought it up. I didn't even want that to come across. It did come across.
oh, because you're.
I mean, my biggest question would be how tight were you sliding? Because we panelled yours today.
We didn't jump out of that, it's not like a yes, that's got to go out of the second one, over first quarter machine.
Back to where we were.
You're pulling away the wheel. If I'm sliding that tight, straight out of the hand and jump it to the back of my I'm sorry, I can take being sliding tight, but I'm still nowhere close on the ice.
Well, it depends how fucking close you're sliding the rush, that's what I'm saying. I don't know. You could have been sliding that inside the rush, you could have been sliding that inside the
If
rush.
I'm sliding that tight, there's still nowhere else. I'm sliding this tight.
That's
And we're
more,
not calling out the hand.
but that's more what I'm asking. I maybe should have said that before you took the knife, to be honest there.
Regardless, it's still just the shock.
First time, oh, just makes you being switched on them
Yeah. So the other one
changes
wasn't
because
going
the
to
first
count.
tackle we had an idea where it would be because the ice was going
On
to be glassy.
whatever web browser you were
It
on.
was pretty consistent, but when
So,
it starts to change,
now that that's
when
your
you need to
account,
be switched on to when
If you
like
go
right,
into
tap in them. So
Drive,
let's fucking adjust something.
It's going to change the second half of the game. That's like
and then shared with me on the left there, you'll see all the files that have been shared with you. And that will include not in spreadsheet version 1. But there's all the other spreadsheets that have been shared.
So I had to take a look at maybe I had to take a look at ice. So I took an inch more ice for your
So you
second
can
one,
double
but I mean,
click
that's
that,
still
and I think it will try and edit this in Google Sheets. Now, which is fine, as long as I don't know, what I don't know is whether or not
we're talking about the regulations, just no action. So
that's it.
I know, but I get what you're saying because, and I'm not just bringing it back to that shot. There's a lot of stuff.
It's
but
going to
like if Robin's throwing that shot, he's saying that he's
under.
Ross is telling him that he's like tight. So like,
there's got to be a conversation there. Like that's what I'm saying. Like if you're saying
I'm going back to telling Robin that Ross said he was a little inside.
But that might not matter because it will still put in, or some of the
you almost need to hear that conversation.
all the scores that we put in earlier are still there. So you can still put in all the scores, points, LSD for all the games. And yeah, that
and I highly doubt he's like that.
right. But
Was it well in yours?
But it will, because it only doesn't work because you're looking at it at Google.com, right? Not opening it in Excel. But
that's why
you can open it in Excel.
Because he said to
You
you,
click the three
Ross got
dots
you tight on the first one,
and
a touch tight,
open with,
and then it was like,
and you can say
he
Excel.
thought it was alright, so we just
So
took a wee bit more
you
out.
could just open it in Excel.
Here.
So if you close that, yeah, go to the three dots,
The second one we picked up earlier,
open with,
it's still
and
counts.
you can just choose Excel there somewhere.
So it's like, did you slide in the exact same spot as your first one, or did you slide tight on your second one?
This is so straightforward.
The thing was like, what we spoke about there, like we took the initial ice, right? Robin slid a hair tight, right? So when you slid here, right? We took an inch more ice. So then, did we slide at the original ice? Like, where were we in terms of the actual speaking?
I actually think the calls are pretty good in terms of control. We just never we never threw the weight away in any of the draws that we were trying to throw.
That's where my frustration came from, was how we weren't switched on to it. Like, that's what I'm saying, that there's only so much that we can do as when it's you and Ross shots. There's only so much we can do in terms of it's overcrowded stuff. All you can do is ask the questions to almost stop that and be like,
And if
right, but ultimately it has to be a serious conversation between that then.
You said they're thinking that's still my advice.
The first one I'm going off for the Ross
Unless you put Carson to the top.
That's not somebody else did.
And then, like, in hindsight, I did split it.
Special.
Where
That should still the 3 points and the 0. Oh, it's because it's 0. You can't make it absolute 0 or it doesn't.
So then I'm like, I also
Should have put Mitchell on the top.
tight, so like, I didn't think it was that.
Or is it because he's actually picked somebody else
A little bit
already?
off it, so I still moved the brush.
You took an inch more. That's what we said.
I was
Place an inch more.
I was like, well, give me a little bit more then. Like, I was tight and I could put the brush just like that. Should have close, so actually it's still more.
Pillars is to the top.
This one.
So I save that. I can close it. Now you should be able to.
Probably still be in it, but if you don't take enough ice, you're going to get punished. Another thing I was like bring up as a way now is that's like 3 times now we've tried this double set or just hitting and rolling that one and rolling for other corners. It's never worked yet. I don't know why we keep doing it. Like, I don't understand why we keep doing it. Your technique. The last set, I just tried to play the hit and roll for another corner. We've done that twice in the slam. It was a 2 games we beat, 2 games we drew. Like, we don't generate twos doing it. I don't see what we're achieving. We keep doing it.
I wondered if you just fucking hit that way earlier. Just lied to, you mentioned it.
Why didn't you? It's either that or you play shots with the draw night. Just get in with that draw.
I know me and you ended up speaking about it for quite a while, but I still think warfare being at the map of it because we didn't sit in. I think we had to sit in top button, top 4, they had been on top. Right, we had been long. But what were we for over there? Everyone's in the middle of the fucking thing. Surely if we were happy days there, we lined it up and then went, alright, there's a wide open end, you still get 2 corner gears. I know we were obviously trying to get the corner gear, but yours.
To me, the last time we were waiting for them to make a draw and then we were chasing them rather than all the way down.
The thing was with last year, like, you kind of see what he's talking about. Whenever we made the single pool, we were second because we knew that they were almost going to throw that one. And if we threw in the rings, right, then we were probably making a run and roll. Then I think, like, kind of buy into it a wee bit. But kept saying the whole
Just
being
give
like,
them
at
a
some
go
point
in.
we're going to hate me this Cameron. At some point we're going to hate me the Cameron. So it's like, I didn't mind him delaying it until when he did because it was obviously wrestling, so I to be able to bump things.
I know, but they don't any pressure. But you know, just give the double go mine.
I said that. I was like, why didn't we just try the double team?
When I didn't speak to me, that was a short one. That was the tune.
But I literally said down the other end, I was like, if we're trying this in the field, we know just as well trying to get the two of them here. Because you'd already rolled your top one off to the side, so we had a double corner that was staggered, so we had plenty of room to fucking hook one when it went in, and then we lost the whole end. We were a bit unlucky, don't get me wrong, the fact that Ross's double peel ended up getting into the rings. It's quite unlucky. Because I mean, if he throws the guard up again with his last, Ross's window in the middle is a little easier. But it's just.
We will tomorrow to know these guys.
We know what job to do. We just need to be better at maybe place those in good spots and ask questions.
Who did we play first tomorrow? Oh, mate. Last time we had a tough game, that's what so. Oh, yeah, fucking hard on it. Okay, well, you've got a semi thing on that. Right, boys. Tomorrow's a new week.
No control.
Is that?
In control.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that, baby Robin. Where did that go? Hello.
Take it all in.
Click and open. Did it open it in another tab yet? No, just click to and open it.
Is that this one?
Just that. Just see if you open that. You should just open it in another tab. And the ranking bit working now. And it once it opens. Oh.
No.
I'll catch up with you.
No, it didn't.
No. So. Do you mind if I install Google Drive Desktop?
You do, Eli.
Yeah?
As long as you show them how to work it.
It's much easier if I install Google Drive Desktop. requested access, it was your wife's account that was logged in on that other browser.
Right. You'll be getting emails now going, somebody's like to share something.
Somebody shared something with me.
Yeah.
Denmark getting control by
Your line scores there, what's it, on clipboards?
Yeah, they're in my folder, black folder. Should be in, just flip through to
Okay, that, I'll go and...
Right, so what I'm going to do, right, is install Google Drive. And what that'll do is, you know how when you open up Explorer, and you've got desktop and downloads and backups and all that, you end up with this drive at the bottom called Google Drive, and when you click on it, what it does is it synchronizes any files you want to your local laptop. So it doesn't necessarily sync to a whole drive, but it can sync any files you want. You probably have something similar with OneDrive, do you? And it just means that you can go into whatever file that I've shared with you. And as I'm doing here, I'm accessing this off the desktop. And when I open it, it pulls down the latest version, I edit it, and then when I save it, it then uploads it. But it's like it's a local file, but it's linked in and out of Google Drive every time you edit it.
So how, well, once we get this,
Yeah.
still loading.
Yeah.
Like some of the pieces are still pretty bad. Icy stuff, but actually, it was just like. Is it cold down there? Well, we weren't too bad actually.
Is that Dunrobin Castle?
Kind of looks that way, doesn't it? Yeah.
Thank you.
them being
56.9, and then it says that's how much you've got left. It's like,
I've been trying to get rid of stuff, but it doesn't seem to lower that number any.
that'll be part of the reason it's slow. In fact, that'll be a big reason it's slow. It's not very big hard. I've never seen her in real life.
Well, I don't know if you're going to. Maybe it's you. I don't know.
Edinburgh's like notoriously late because Jamie didn't hear from them until like March or something.
You've got this something called transcoded wallpaper in your pictures. Okay. Do you know what that is?
No idea. No. Never heard of it.
It's taken up a fair bit of space.
No, it's like some of them are and some of them aren't.
Do you need scans?
No.
You've got a whole bunch of scans here.
Okay, I'll look into them.
They're all PDF scans.
Big name.
Well, yeah, they are. Actually. Can I get rid of them?
Yeah.
You don't want to know what they are?
Next year, but not until that.
I'll have either saved them or deleted them if I needed them. So,
Altså, vi leder stadig efter det på, hvor du siger sådan, nu stopper det. Det er ikke kommet endnu. Jeg har let og let i 8 år. Men siger, nu stopper det sammen. Oh, damn. Det var også lige, jeg følte,
I've never looked at them for years.
No, it's alright. It's just I can move them onto your OneDrive or something. You might have space there. You could copy them. Wet. They're compressed, so it's like it's being copied from somewhere else.
It was old, those other girls, Swiss girls that were already sent to there in that format.
Yeah, so you could open them up. I can copy them onto OneDrive, okay, put them onto documents or pictures in OneDrive.
Right, okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'll just leave this here with you.
Just see see how much left. So you've got 74 meg free, so there's still a lot of used space. And I can't see where it's being used. Normally it's pictures or video, or music and things like that. There's no downloads on here. There's hardly any documents.
They're on the OneDrive, so it shouldn't be taking any space up, I didn't think.
So they're all on your OneDrive. But they are synced with your PC. I think that's maybe why.
And I'm thinking like available off the PC. So only read them in the OneDrive.
Yeah. So if I do that one to free up space, that should, because I think,
But the team's here. Just her.
If it locks up around 5867 again,
right, 5867. Okay.
I'll come back up once they're started.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, thanks.
when the two of them were together, like chipping every year, and I just gave it back both barrels. They were like, yeah, right. Must be wicked. Oh, but the next step or something. No, no.
Basically down through California for 2 weeks. We went into a place in the Central Valley.
Alright, James.
Come on. Not bad. Not bad.
What's this year?
Yourself?
I've been up here one time.
Yeah, I'm doing we're just trying to get the ranking spreadsheet sorted for this tournament. So I need to
What's it working?
I need to count if S of that is 0 You do Excel a lot? Are you good at Excel?
Yeah, well, you got Copilot on your machine.
Don't think.
What are you wanting to do?
Don't think that's going to work.
So you wanted to add.
I wanted to. So basically, what I didn't have was the number of games played.
Alright.
So what I was trying to do was count the number of zeros in here, and count if it's 0, because then and then I can do 5 minus that count, and that would equal the number of games played by. And if it was white, I wanted it to.
You want to count for the white, you want to.
I wanted to look for spiller and count up if it's spiller. But that wouldn't work because the range count wouldn't work. Yeah, okay. So I need to do 2 formulas. I need to do X lookup of that, and then do a count of.
But you could do
X lookup and then a count of.
No, why don't you go in this one here, on the men's game, and make a hidden column that does your if in there, yeah? So ifs, all them, and which ones equal 0, and make a hidden column, yeah? And then that'll return how many games they've played, yeah?
So
And
just
then
do the count if here.
Yeah. Count.
Do the count if, and then that 0.
Yeah.
No, I'm the same.
We'll return, is that equal what? Well, just check it equals 5 and then add the next bit of formula in. Right, and then minus 5.
No, it doesn't work because this isn't games. This is points. You see, White's played a game, but he got 0 points. Oh, so that doesn't work. No, I need, how do I work out how many games they've played?
Right, draw shot. If this, as long as people aren't hitting 0.
Which they can't.
They can't.
Well, they can.
They can.
Yeah.
Got 0 down there.
They could.
Hello, hello.
It depends. I could make L0s not play 1. Then you're kind of frigging it a bit. But,
Or you just manually.
So yeah, LSD would have been better. If they have a 0, then that's the actual game details. And unfortunately, because they're in columns, I can't. If they were in rows, I could do it. They're not.
But you can do it, you can transpose.
Yeah, but I link all my sheets are linked to this at the moment, so I can't muck about with this.
Oh no, you can do a transpose formula. You can do columns to rows in a formula, and then do your sum on it, and then put it back. It's a function that does changes trans column to row, and it changes everything in here, but you'd have to do both.
But I'm not sure how that helps me anyway, because basically, yeah.
Well, why don't you do?
Because that could still be 0 anyway. If it's not blank, say how do I do it? I can manually update it, but it's just a pain.
What you need to look up and see if they've got a score in here or not.
Yeah.
So could you do a lookup, the same formula we just did?
So do so equals what, an X lookup of
And we could do it
that against
multiple arrays.
that against that and return
The return array is the score, but that doesn't really help you.
that doesn't help you.
Down the wrong way. Take the seat. Column in each one, and then do the if rule, and if they've got a score typed in, if they've not,
And add the extra column here.
yeah, add an extra column in there, or even, and it looks like you actually have columns hidden there, does it? Between teams.
Yeah, only because if I put all the teams in here, sorry, if I change that name of White to Davidson everywhere in here that's White currently would then change to Davidson. So it's just a hidden column looking
You
up.
have a hidden column there. If there's a score, put a 1 in. If not, put a 0. And then you just do a lookup. Lookup sum. Sum if. Yeah, on all them columns. Does that make sense? Sum if. Schmidt on that column. Do it in all the games. Yeah.
So put a 1 if it's blank and sorry,
Put
a 0 if it's blank and 1 if it's not blank.
Yeah. So if that column equals null. Yeah.
So if any? Return the value special, special, if any. No,
I think go if and then select the column. Score.
that
Yeah.
is not equal to. Oh,
Just
sorry,
put-
is
just
not
put
blank.
Not blank. Go equals exclamation marks. Yeah. Yeah. So if it equals exclamation, you put a 0 in. If it doesn't, equals 1. Yeah. Doesn't matter if you do it over the blanks because you won't get a name when you do the next bit.
Yeah.
But if you're super tight it.
Yep, yep. You missed the
Yes,
first
that's what
one.
counts.
Yeah. Yes.
Or Alan has, should we say.
Yeah, no, I think
Oh, are you going down?
yeah, we're both gonna do it with 14s. I don't know about the
I found a really useful thing I didn't know when I was doing this. I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, so that works. That's good. Thank you. So if I take games played, and what you're saying, just do sum if,
Some if.
and then I've got to do multiple sum ifs.
Yes. Yeah. Then so you go equal. So you go on your formula. It would be sum if
That
equals
equals a name and
add. Then you just add because you've got a number.
sum if that equals
Yeah,
that
yeah.
name. Sum if that name.
Yeah. You're just adding one each time you play the game.
I'm just wondering if I can.
You should just be able to insert that. Did anyone want anything to drink? Want anything, Louise? Go on that card.
What do you mean? Go on.
Dab January, I think we might call it. Dab January. Keep it out the rain. Are you, where are you staying? Oh, so it's a girls'
Yeah.
club.
Well, I hadn't booked. Well, I was booking because between that and then I wasn't on the Amazon Challenge. But then it's like, there's no point in staying in Challenge. Better said, not
Yeah.
about it. You
Yeah.
can so
Yeah.
the only thing that was putting me off was the parking at the venue because it was cheaper. And it's better than Mercure. But then when the girls said, I thought, oh, I should stay there. But if I took it, it's going to be £20 cheaper. Because it was £10 each week. Last year, the breakfast horrendous. Yeah, it's really bad. I mean, and you need to be on the top floor because you can just hear everything through the walls and walking about. No, I mean, the venue is it's a lot better. It's actually Oh, I lived, yes. Actually, my friend back home, her son actually lives up in Perth now, so she'd been up with her daughter and said, they went there and she said it was like, oh, that's great.
Oh, yeah.
And one of our daughters is lovely. Yeah, no, she said she was
Where's Fraser?
they've got a house somewhere. He's not quite sure where. Kind of,
Like before, he was kind of
yeah,
amazing or something.
yeah, but it's no, it's somewhere different. It was just like this time. But I actually, it's a big, another big house. Yeah, they're all staying. Yeah, that's in their way back there. I know. Yeah, I'll find you.
That's great.
I don't know how that. I don't know how that John said to me. Janice don't know how you were passed because well, we've no idea how she drives us. We've not been out with her because we've got automatic cars. So we wanted to pass them out. So yeah, she's only been in instructor. So she literally has been in since the end of October. And so she's had 4 licenses at the beginning of January. So I was like, I wasn't convinced Is that right? Yeah.
I'll be like that.
And then she's got her this big car and it's got lovely yellows. Oh, no. She looks so positive. Oh, my God. Like, text us as well. I'll look at your dad. You'll be like, I know, I was with Alan. So, yeah. I don't think we've got that many package on this car. That's a thought. We had it on the last one. They just happened to come with it, but it was never used. So she says she use your dog? Well, yes, and the boys. Yeah, well, I'm looking at shoots on it. Slightly higher, horse strong one or whatever. Probably should have done that. It's quite good. It's quite so easy to drive. So she's like, let's drive an automatic. I'm so brave. Don't need to worry about it.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Yeah, not yet.
Still doing it. It's a fucking shit way to do it.
It is a shit way, sorry.
No, it's. I'm just thinking there must be a better way to do it.
There must be a better way.
But it's given me the right answer so far for the first one anyway. So if I copy it down, it should give me the right answer if I make these cells. I need to make all of those absolute references. Think that worked, Sean?
It did work.
Think it worked?
Maybe.
I'll put the next game in and see.
Personal at times. I do wonder if we've got some paid actors in there.
Yeah, I'm wondering that too. Somebody's going to come out soon and say they're Bond. A Bond. Yeah. I know.
How can someone be accused so many times and then people are just, it's funny actually, that guy.
I just prefer
just in time. It's just finished installing.
It's actually going in this time.
I'm trying to see if I've freed up your hard drive now or not.
As long as you haven't lost all the stuff in the OneDrive.
Probably, I probably deleted it all. Looks like it's still there. But
It's still there as well.
It's still here on this PC, but I've made everything available on the cloud. So I can't see what
So
is
that
taking
shouldn't
up.
take any space.
That shouldn't be taking any space. So I've made it so that you can only access this. You can still access it through here, but you have to access it when you're online. It just means that if you're not online, you can't access it.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
But I still can't see why. Maybe a reboot will help. But it's giving you some back, 3.59, but it's still saying out of 50 gig, you've only got 4 left. So you've still got 40 gig. There's something
Something that's not right. Because I've only got emails, which emails are not taking up a lot of space. I don't think.
Do you know what might be actually? And what I didn't want to do is
Yeah, she plays with me quite a lot.
When I went into settings, I'm sure it was.
it could be stuff that you've installed. So it may well be that we can go in here. If you see something that you don't.
Well, what's taking up a lot of space? Lenovo Vantage, which is this thing, so I don't know.
Leave that.
Yeah.
Leave mail, leave that, that's all okay.
See, I never use Bing, but does that matter?
No, it's fine, it won't receive any space. You can't get rid of most of that. Yeah, you don't have a lot of just applications on here, yeah. Some people have a lot of that crap applications that just
Take up a lot of space. So
But-
what's that? As Copilot, that's their AI thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't understand it, but anyway, probably get rid of
So
it.
I don't think
What's video extension?
no idea. It's only 2 meg, it's not going to save it.
There's nothing that's huge, is there, apart from
42 meg, there's nothing that's gigabytes. It might be your mailbox.
Well, I thought when I went on to settings, it
You know, your actual mail that it's downloading. So it may well be.
because I've got lots saved in all these folders, but
See if you've got, if I go by size.
nothing in there. Oh, no, that's a lot. Ooh.
22 meg for that, 6 meg, yeah, nothing massive. Some people
You
have
get rid of that 22 of Shabby. I think I've answered her, so just. I don't know.
It's fine, so whatever.
It's because it's Scottish Current, it's got all the pictures at the bottom of the email. Because I tried to reply to her and it couldn't because.
It may not save you space anyway. I'm just going to leave it. I just wanted to see if there was anything massive. So if there isn't, then I'll just leave it, right?
Unless there's anything massive in the folders, but.
Yeah, possibly. But that would be somewhere to look. If there is anything big in there, that might be, maybe your mailbox. You've got a fair bit free now, which is good. Now we need to sign into your Google Drive, so you're going to need your
Google
password, your Google login. Yeah, have you ever seen, Sean, you ever used this? Found this year in Excel.
Sort by.
So you can look at a list
Yeah.
on another page,
Yeah.
and then you can tell it, pick that column, then that column, and then sort it, and so it dynamically does it.
Ah, yes, it keeps
So if you're updating a table, it'll dynamically sort it. It's actually a really cool thing. I've never used it before. I just thought that is awesome.
Oh, there's some brilliant functions.
Yeah.
You just have to be clever, know what you're doing.
Well,
No,
I,
you can write them into Copilot and just tell it what you want, and it'll write it for the algorithm.
The code?
Oh, right, you'll know if you go into
Say what you want to do.
Yeah, the AI works out.
Right, where am I putting the password in?
I'm just looking here. Verify it's you.
As you can
Yes.
tell, I need AI
Open
to
up
plan my
Google
night.
app on the phone.
Do I
Sorry?
have-
Plan my week, because I went away and got my ice for a day and I hadn't read the message at all. It was Monday and Friday I couldn't play, but I said I could.
I know, right. Which one's available? No, right, okay. It's alright, we used the Monday ones, but I was doing it with Dave Rutherford, so.
Oh, yeah,
so well, I've got this list of Monday ones, that's fine. Is that the Google Authenticator?
Yeah.
Is that
No,
thing?
it's not. It's open up. It just says the Google app. I think.
Like I've got Google Photos and I've got
Can you
Google
search
Maps.
it? Can you search?
I don't know.
Maybe it's search. On mine, I just I swipe up and then I can just search for the map.
I mean, that's all the ones I've got that 4 pages worth. So
It's just it must be that. It just says Google.
I've got Google Drive there.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's the second point. Got they seem to have all Google things, but not the normal Google. Will that be it then?
Yes, try that.
What year?
No, his ankle, because he fell over last night.
There you go.
Last night, so he was like,
Yes, it's me. Match number is 67.
I was like, alright, I'm just trying to bath.
There you go. It was right on your main
Can
buttons
you see it
page.
from looking?
Main buttons page.
Main buttons.
Make sure.
Okay.
So now it'll ask you what you want to synchronize,
Okay.
and you can just pick like one file.
Well, we'll just do that.
So it says what you know. It'll ask you what you want to like. What you want to synchronize up to Google. Backup photos. Select drives.
So that one you said is it's still in my email, isn't it? I need to save it somewhere to.
Choose available offline. Ah, okay. So you can create a folder on here that if anything you drag to it will get backed up. Or anything you store in it will get backed up. Let me just open up Explorer. I don't know, let me pin this to your desktop as well. Oh, it is pinned on your taskbar. I just couldn't see it.
Here, aye.
So there's Google Drive now. You double click on it and you get My Drive, and then that's all your files. But this isn't nothing. None of this is synchronized.
So that's under this PC. Yeah, it's not that.
So for some reason, it's not showing.
So can you drag that one from my email into there and then can work on it there? Is that then
You
that
want
one?
me to? Yeah, no, so it'll be the one I've shared. Is that one. So let me just save this because we've worked out how to get you the number of games played.
Okay.
So that's done now.
Yes, for sure.
So you can see the rankings, which is good. So if you want to just put in
Do you want to
the
put the LSDs for the second games and see what that does then?
So I'll let you stick it
Right,
in.
and that.
That's always a problem with Perth.
And then once you've done that, if you hit save, I'll open it and we can just double check.
Hopefully you can see it. So LSD, we're going to do this. 2.1, there's some draw. I'll do all the main put them in here. Right, that's the mains one's done, so we'll just save that.
Yeah.
I don't know if auto-save, could we put auto-save on?
No.
Would you rather not?
Oh, you can do. It doesn't matter.
It just saves it.
Ah,
Oh, no, no.
So you've got to upload it to OneDrive to do auto save. Yeah.
Right, so the save.
It's too fast, too keen
So
this
these,
So
we have been changing all using save a copy. So if I'm overwriting it, that's me adding new information in, isn't it?
it shouldn't do that. But I'll adjust.
Sorry?
Don't go to that extension cable.
Is it not plugged into anything? There's nothing in it?
Well, I don't. We'll know in a minute.
Aye. If the lights go out, put it back.
No, we're okay.
Yeah. So I can see them now.
Okay. So what am I
And
with?
I haven't deleted my men's ranking, so that's fine. So that's fine.
Does get rid of
So
that blue box?
yeah.
So if I now go into the women's and put in the LSDs for them.
Yep. Do you know how many 199.6? Is that just the maximum?
Yeah.
They didn't even hit the house.
If it's out or short, then that's the maximum to get.
Ah, right.
It's not that they're all equal.
I was going to say that's quite remarkable.
closed down and opened up again. It's all there. So that's the ladies' LSDs.
So if you close that down again,
So if I
so
close that,
if you get a problem and it says you want to save a copy or overwrite changes, just overwrite changes all the time because you're the only one that should be updating this, yeah.
Yeah.
And it means that
You
if
can
I've
view
done
it,
anything,
though.
and I can see it,
Yes.
and so when I open it up here,
If I want to close this one down, look at the things open here now. Right. So
and I can see all the LSDs.
just don't leave that again. So that's me back to. Right, don't need that. So that's just my emails open. So if I go into my files, it should be down here.
Drive, and then go into Perth Masters, and then that's what. And anything, yeah.
So I just do that,
Edit
save
that,
it,
save it, and you'll go
and you'll be able to see it.
Yeah, and if you're not using it, just close it, and it means you might not get that overwrite error. Because what might happen is that if you've got it open and you've saved it, and then I change something, the spacing or the colours, and then you change something and go save, and it'll say, do you want to overwrite changes, because you know there's two, so it has to kind of
So
say.
you're better to do it and come out.
So you're better to do it, save it, and then if you're not using it, just close it. Yeah.
It's only if you do it once.
If you don't leave it open, it means that when you then open it up, you get the one that I most recently saved, pulled down before you make any changes.
Okay, so
that's all.
What I'm going to do, it's the men's game details and the women's game details is the two that I'm going to use, isn't it?
Yeah, put them together if you want.
So
You
if
can
I
move
can
them.
put that into there,
Yeah.
and that's the two will work on it, and then it'll be
The rest of those you don't touch because they're ranking and.
How can I put the draw away at that end? Just drag it right across.
Yeah.
Put it in here.
Yeah. Hey, all right. Just working out the spreadsheets for updating the rankings and stuff.
Good.
I think.
Hello there.
So we've got the two there, and then
Find yourself.
You want to sit at this table here?
No.
So if I put the men's ranking next, and then the women's ranking next.
Yep.
It's not quite the same. Second week in January.
The four that I'm going to need.
Yep.
The men's details, women's details, and the two rankings.
Yep.
So it's ranked the women's on LSD at the moment, yeah. Even though they've all no points.
Correct. Because it'll rank on points first. But what I need to do now is I need to add this games played into the women's.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you save that, because you've changed all the order, you just save it, come out of it. I'll go and add the games played to the women's ranking, and then.
Okay. So if you go back in, it should be in the order that I've just changed it to, is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
No, because I put these two things away at the end.
As long as they're fine on yours. A new version created, yeah. So get the latest version, and that means it just goes and gets the latest one.
Still got the information there, which is important.
Yeah. So I will go to women's ranking, insert column for games played. What's your Google account that you use?
I'll have a look at see what it is.
Your Gmail
Could just
one.
be Oxford Media probably.
I know.
Yeah.
Did I have a Perth Masters one?
It's a Google Drive. The file stored up on Google Drive.
My
Yeah.
daily pleasure.
I think you need to have a Google account to access.
Yeah, no, I got several Google accounts. Do I have a Perth Masters one? Otherwise, it's just Oxford Media.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
I'm just looking on now.
Subscription to Huel for my lunches. Oh.
The January deals are good though, Sean, I tell you.
I don't have a Perth Masters one at the moment. Oh, there is one. There's one you set up. Perth Masters curling at gmail.com.
Yeah.
I'm not a robot. Oh dear, I'm not a robot. Click the bicycle.
I was like, wow. Yeah, fine, yeah.
Well, curling needs SharePoint now, it's quite good. Yeah, but things in low lights.
So actually, once I kind of got into my...
Sorry, World Curling, but it's yes.
SharePoint.
What's the Gmail account called? Perth Masters?
Perth Masters curling at gmail.com. Maybe you set that up. And I'm just sending a.
So that's Perth Masters curling at gmail.com. Yeah, there we go. So I will send that to you.
So you're sharing that with me rather than the other way around?
Yes.
Yes. So you want my media at gmail.com? Right, that's probably the easiest way.
Okay, right, okay. Share with Andrew media. So that's a Google account as well, is it?
Yeah.
Now you'll have to open that in Excel.
Right. Why?
Because the formulas I've used don't format in Google Sheets. I could.
Only if it's in Google Sheets can we automatically have it. You type in, it goes live. So there's definitely no way to get these formula into Google Sheets. You know what I mean? Google Sheets is a cloud file which anyone with access to it can change, and I can embed that file inside the web page, and I don't have to touch it again. Which bit's got which formula's iffy?
Sort by. Okay, there might be a way I can do it, but I'd have to.
ChatGPT.
Essentially, I'd replicate the sort by table of standings. I could duplicate it as values, and you could display the duplicated one. I'm just wondering if how I get the duplicated one to dynamically update values without using the formula. I don't think I can. I would just have to copy and paste the values every time.
I mean, worst case scenario, you just send me the XLS file, and periodically I check my email. But I'm not.
No, well, it is the XLS file, so you could download it anytime you wanted.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
It's an XLS upload.
Yeah.
You're in your usual seat.
How did you spot that?
I'm going to head off home, so see you tomorrow.
But you're fine otherwise, and then
I'm okay with that. You don't need me now, do you? Between whatever you two are doing.
No, so I'll do this, and then we've just got to work out how it gets live on the website.
Yeah. If I just keep updating that.
So you've got this live.
We've got access to the cameras.
You
Yes.
can see it.
But we don't have a production.
Yes, and then we'll work out.
Right.
Right? We're not.
So you can't just put that directly onto the website?
I can. That's live on.
That's live on the website?
On a YouTube channel. No, I
YouTube
didn't dare do
separate,
that
no.
because then it looks half cocked.
Right.
There's no commentary.
Yes.
There's no switcher going on here. There's no titling going on.
No.
I mean, that's you know what the job is.
We're not set up. We're not set up. We just missed it.
No, I know that. Yeah.
Well, we didn't know till 5:05.
Yeah.
You know.
So there's a separate YouTube site.
No, I can put that on the site, but I'm saying it is a mess because it's not a production. We don't have the commentary.
Yes.
We're not set up for that.
No, we decided not to do that.
And you'll just get people saying, "Where's the sound? Where's this? Where's that?"
Well, I think they're quite used to just
Quite a lot of them don't have the
don't sound.
Right.
Yeah.
But it does. But I mean, I can make a wide angle picture and just leave it at that. And you can
But
see
the thing
both-
is, you still need a machine to sit and run it,
yeah,
and you need somebody to switch.
which is the one thing I said I wasn't keen
No,
to leave.
that's, no.
Was the machine, because I do a
Yes.
ton of other work.
No.
Sure.
So
Yeah,
if
I
someone
get
could,
that.
someone had a machine that could put this out, that would be fine. I mean, I left it. I was up at the
Yeah.
hospital just now. Left the machine half open, and I looked at it a bit.
But if
it's still working.
someone,
Paul
if someone
tells
has
me-
if someone has a laptop,
A
That
good,
could be-
a strong enough laptop as well, because it will have to run OBD. Will have to set up.
No, the strongest thing is the
Well,
the
yeah.
internet. You need a good
Yeah,
signal.
but it still has to run
Yeah.
the open broadcast OBS, and then you have to set up OBS on that laptop.
And then all the passwords for all the
And all the
cameras.
passwords for
And
all
like
the cameras.
no, you can, I've tried this. You can't export them to another machine. You have
and
to
then
put
you
them in
have to set
manually.
up all the titling, and you have to set up all the, and then you have to
Wait.
change the titling for every game.
You don't
otherwise
need to do
wouldn't
the
play.
titling, but you would have to say what game's on or what session, or they
And
just
you'd have to say
do they
who's
just
playing
guess?
who. Yeah.
Or as I've done in the past, if you put the far end up, you've got the scoreboard.
absolutely, yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
Yeah.
once every
That
two
would be
ends.
that would be sufficient.
Once every 2 ends.
Yep. Well, yeah, once every turn's not sufficient. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
What did Maggie say? Did she call you? Or
No.
what? No, she didn't call you.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
They seem to be doing some deals with Dumfries, from what I'm hearing in the grapevine. But they're not. I don't know what's going
I
on.
think she's struggling because she's not got David there,
She'll not have the
and that's
technical
that's been
expertise.
a bit of a problem. So she's been kind of a bit non-committal for quite a while, but
I mean,
and I wasn't really pushing it because the girl's obviously kind of.
Yeah, I know.
It's one of those difficult ones.
Right,
Right,
it's
so
something after when we have our wash-up meeting. I think we need to maybe.
well, the
Have a
money
real
that
good
went into
think.
these cameras.
I know
it's
there's
a shame
no
not
point
to.
waste.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
just a waste. Yeah.
But I mean, I'm fairly certain I'm going to be here, focused on the second half of games, getting pictures. That's what I came down to do.
Yep.
So I can ghost my presence here with the laptop sitting at the desk.
the only
But
other thing I was thinking about was whether we can do something a bit fuller on Sunday.
Yes.
And just make it as being the playoff stages are the bit that's streamed, and if that's convenient for you
well, I've never been here at 9 o'clock on Sunday. I sit on an organ bench at 9 o'clock Sunday. But I've never been without James or someone who's been able to come in and get set up 8:10, for the 9 o'clock session or whatever it is in here. So
But it's not just a case of Sunday morning Sunday morning at 9, because you need to do all the setup we need to set up on Saturday, because you still need to set up all the cameras on whatever machine we're going to use for streaming. You still need to do all the titling and how you're going to do the scores and set up the angles and things. So you can't just rock up at 9 and stream.
No. I get that.
I'm thinking it's not possible if we're not doing every single game. I mean, we're 5 sessions we used to do in a day, setting up for all that. It was non-stop.
I don't think we can really
No,
need that.
but if we only had one to do on Sunday, or the finals, or the two finals, and
So on the Sunday we've got semi-finals and finals.
At 9, yeah.
And quarter-finals on the Saturday.
Saturday night.
there's two other things one I haven't mentioned, but if you're setting up the sound and a commentary, you'll need to carve off an area of this and get it.
We'll soon sort that.
You'll soon find people. And the other thing is, I just spoke to Paul going out the door just now, and he said to me, "Oh, you're on LAL event." He says he's found that if you try streaming on that or you try using, they cut you off at some point. So you'd have to reload in, or with your time limited, I don't know. And he couldn't say exactly whether it was overnight, once a day, or more frequent. But if we leave this running tonight, we'll find out that it's. I mean, it's been on since I was 7.
Paul,
Paul Iceman.
why is he streaming an LAL event?
You'll be watching Curling and Canada.
No, but that's not outgoing stream.
Maybe he had something else doing
No,
it.
no.
All right, on our cameras, you mean?
No, he'll
I
not
don't
be
know.
using our camera.
I don't know.
No, I'm just trying to think what he's uploading as a stream,
Right.
because that's a different path
Didn't ask him that.
than streaming something down.
Yeah.
And Metro.
Well, he said it cut out anyway.
See you in the morning, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll see
Yeah,
where we
it's,
get.
We got all your cash. And here the Italians haven't paid.
No.
So
did they pay
I
in
would say they
paid in lira?
did they just take cash?
No, that was our friends from China. £50 notes, brand new.
No, the Italians had come and asked for an invoice, which I sent them on the 22nd of December, and they had sent it to their office as
Yeah.
people, and they hadn't done it. That's
Right.
apparently what's happened.
But the problem I've got is I've actually got all the money in apart from that. And I've got one payment that I can't establish.
One extra one. I wonder if it's that one.
No, it's not. It's a man's team. Because it's £993. And the name is Soloth. And I've had it for a long time. And I've not got any info on it at all.
Someone's paid twice.
And I've been through all the names of the players, and there's nobody even.
He's on the 8-year training program.
The only ones who kind of said, "Oh, we're not paid," were Italy. But
So does that mean we've got some money to?
well, I just don't know what we're going
This
to
one
do.
for years and
I
Sunday.
just don't know what we're going to do about that because I can't get any more info out of the bank. That's the problem.
Somebody realises they'll soon come asking.
That's what I was thinking. I'll maybe gradually speak to all the teams and ask, does Soloth mean it? But that could be anything. It could be Sol Thorn, or it could, it could be a mixture of words all stuck together, or it could be anything. Anyway, that's the only issue I have, but it's not.
Well, that's good that everybody else is paid.
Everybody else is paid now. Constantini's still to sign her waiver as well. Of course, she's not here.
No, why?
Don't know, I was going to ask the
Should be doing photo shoots for the Olympics.
fair play by
Some people.
Yeah, well, the two. I know the older guy, the Italian, who knows me, but I think it's
Marco.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, hello, Bill. How are you? Sort of thing. Yeah. Hello there. This is Michael. All right. Hi, Michael. I suppose I've been here 30 odd years. It's inevitable, but that's not that I'm forgetting. It was just an idea. I've told his name before. Right.
Okay.
I think everybody else I've spoken to downstairs. Some of them were going on about getting water. And of course they didn't realise there was a water fountain at the door, and they'd been taking water out of the toilet taps, which says do not use for drinking. So I managed to empty quite a lot of their bottles and refill them.
The Italians, the Coley himself, he's not here either. So they've got, I think it's a lad Campanini or something.
And the guy is with the blue top, he's got a different
He's got Coley's
anorak.
top on, so well, somebody was trying to. I suppose he was just using the top.
Okay, right guys, see you in the morning.
Mm.
I've got another year yet. Well, maybe not. Maybe they keep picking up that. Maybe what happened. Bedford College, maybe they're
Yeah.
seeing that.
I'm just adding in
Oh yeah.
game count so we know how many games everybody's played. So that the ranking, because games are spread across sessions for the men's. People will need to know who's a game behind. you got the line scores on the web?
I hope so. Yeah, I got them from Carol. Carling's on, yeah. They should be there in their formats and their indexes and stuff like that.
Right.